How to turn off automatic story saving on Snapchat. Snapchat automatically saves stories posted to memories by default, but you can turn this off if you prefer not to have your stories saved. And here is how to do so. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then, once in there, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then, once inside the profile section of yours, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your Snapchat account settings. Now, once inside the settings, under the My Account section, tap on the Memories option available there. Now, once you tap on the Memories, you will get to see Auto Save My Story Snaps option available there. Simply tap on it. And there you will get to see Don't Autosave. Tap on it and this will stop Snapchat from automatically saving your stories to memories. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.